Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about Java data types, but in a very fun and easy way. Instead of boring definition, I will explain it using a movie analogy. Just imagine our Java program as a movie and each data types play a specific role in it. Let's begin. Data types are like a boxes that hold our values. Each box has a different size and shape. For example, you can't fit a teddy bear inside a small jewelry box, right? Similarly, in Java, you must choose the right data type for the right kind of value. That's why data types are important. They tell Java how much space to use and what kind of data to store. There are two categories of data types in Java. Primitive data types. These are the simple basic roles like the main actors of our film. Reference data types. These are more complex like the directors, extras and the entire production team that manage everything. We will go through each of them with example. Primitive data types are the basic building blocks. Let's connect them to our movie. Numeric types like byte, int, double, these are our main characters. Some have small roles, some have big roles, depending on the size of number they can handle. Char. This is the script or dialogues because it stores characters like A, B or symbols. Boolean. These are the light switches in the movie set. They can only be on or off, just like a true or false in Java. Here is a quick table. Byte is very small. Only -128 to 127 numbers can be stored and its size is 1 byte. Short is a little bigger and int is the default choice for numbers. Long is for very large numbers like population. Float and double are for decimal numbers, but double is more precise. Boolean is true or false. Char stores single characters like A. So think of them as the characters of different sizes. Some can handle small roles, some can handle heavy and big roles. You, you just remember the size of these data types. Byte 1 byte, short 2 bytes, int 4 bytes, long 8 bytes, float 4 bytes, double 8 bytes, boolean 1 bit and character 2 bytes. Now let's talk about our reference data types. These are now not basic roles, they organize the whole story. String act like the director because it arranges all the dialogues, characters together into sentence means sequence of characters. Arrays think of them like a crowd or extras. They are not unique but a collection of similar roles means group of similar data types. Classes and interfaces. The production team they give the blueprint and control the whole structure of the movie. Let's see a quick example in Java. We declare different data types like int, double, boolean, char and string. Then we print them out. Notice how each data type is storing a different kind of value. Salary as int, price as double, grade as a char, name as a string. Arrays like a marks stores multiple values at a once. This is like seeing the entire cast list in one place. Now, how do we choose the right data type? Think of it like casting the right actor for a right role. Small role, byte or short. Main hero role, int, most commonly used. Heavy role, big numbers. Precision roles, float and doubles. Dialogue role, char or string. Switch role, boolean. If you choose the wrong actor for the wrong role, the movie fails. Similarly, if you choose the wrong data types, your program can crash or waste memory. So let's quickly summarize. Data types are like roles in a movie. Primitive types are your main actors. Reference types are the director, extras, and production team. Choosing the right data type is important for performance and clean code. And that's the end of our Java data types session. I hope now whenever you think of data types, you will imagine a movie set and it will be super easy to remember. This way is very helpful. Thank you.